Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload a shorts YouTube video from your PC or laptop here. So to upload a shorts in your YouTube account here from PC or laptop, you need to log into your account here in PC or laptop here. Then you need to go to your upload option here. As you can see, there is a camera option which is called create. Tap on it and then you have to choose upload video here. After opening the upload option here, you can just go to your folder here and drag and drop the video here. So I'm going to go to the folder where I have my video to upload the shorts here. So remember that if you have to upload a shorts here, you need to have less than 1 minute video and your video size will be in a vertical mode here. So without vertical mode, the video won't be a short in your YouTube upload here. So I'm going to drag and drop the video in my Chrome browser here. So I'm going to just drag and drop here. Now as you can see, I'm uploading the video as usual here in YouTube here, but the video size are in vertical mode here. After the title here, you can just put hash shorts here. Without hash shorts here, it will be in the YouTube shorts here, or you can just put hash shorts here to make sure that the YouTube just take it as a YouTube shorts here from your YouTube PC or laptop here. So now the video is processing here. As usual, you can add description and text from your YouTube here. Then you can just go to the visibility here and go to public your video and save or publish and publish your video here. Now after uploading the video here, if I go back to the another account here in my channel here, as you can see I have logged into another account here, and if I go back to the channel, if I scroll down, you'll see the video that I uploaded here in the shorts mode here. So if I tap on the video on the shorts here, as you can see the video that I have just uploaded
There's an
here
option you need
now
to
in the
here you can
shorts feed
see how
here.
many times you
That's
have
it guys,
watched
this is how you
YouTube
upload a
application
shorts in your YouTube
average here. So if you want to
from
tap
laptop
on your
or
profile
PC
here,
here. So if you
right
found this
now
video
tap on your
helpful,
profile,
please subscribe to this
and
channel
here
and
you can
thank
see
you
there's
for
an option
watching.
called time watched here. So